am young and I'm old. Now my story will be told. I was short, now I'm long. I tremble, but I'm strong. I go marching out to sea and wading back to shore. Fishes and the children at my feet, so right up on my back to the clickety-clickety-clack, across the waves for a mile, my wonderland for a while. And I was born the Aborigine, was still walking his land. This old town was just learning to stand, and they hauled me down from the forest to the sand, and the horses pulled the trucks to the lighthouse, and tall sailing ships heeding the captain's command. The whalers came and went, the hungry timber ships came here in droves. The railways and the mill towns sent 1,000,000 loads. Time was on our side, the workers never slow. My friends were all around me, playing in the summer sun, and I just grew more parts for the show. I am young and I'm old, stories will be told. I was short, now I'm long, and I tremble but I'm strong. I go marching out to sea and wading back to shore. Fishes and the children at my feet, so right up on my back to the clickety-clickety-clack, across the waves for a mile, to my wonderland for a while. And though I'm old and the timbermen are no longer here, but I'm still alive, just you never fear. I bought my T-stones, and I'm still in the clear. Make me anew now, happy voices, and many feet, wake me from deep in my dreams. I am young and I'm old, now my story will be told. I was short, now I'm long, and I tremble but I'm strong. I go marching out to sea and wading back to shore. Fishes and the children at my feet, so right up on my back to the clickety-clickety-clack, across the waves for a mile,